Henan Zhongrui Machinery has established itself as a leader in the field by providing state-of-the-art machinery that caters to both small-scale and large-scale production needs. Their product line includes advanced pressing machines, solvent extraction units, refining systems, and fully automated production lines tailored for cottonseed oil manufacturing. Each piece of equipment is engineered with precision and durability in mind. One of the key strengths of Henan Zhongrui Machinery is its dedication to customer satisfaction. The company offers personalized solutions based on clients' specific requirements. From initial consultation to installation and after-sales service. With an experienced technical team, they provide ongoing support, including maintenance, guidance, and upgrades. In addition to producing high-quality machinery, Henan Zhongrui also emphasizes environmental sustainability. Many of their products incorporate energy-saving technologies and eco-friendly designs. For businesses seeking reliable, efficient, and innovative cottonseed oil processing equipment, Henan Zhongrui Machinery Co. Limited is undoubtedly a top choice. Its reputation for excellence, coupled with competitive pricing and exceptional customer service, makes it an ideal partner for companies looking to enhance their oil processing capabilities. Whether you're just starting or expanding your operations,